I'm going to show you how to pay a bill that a tutor issues to you on TutorBees.net. I will walk you step by step through the process. First of all, you will click on the menu button. Then you will click on Bills and Payments. You can see the unpaid bill here. You can see the due date of it. You need to pay the bill before it expires. To pay the bill, you will need to click Generate Bill. Now, you can see the invoice. This is your paper ID. You will need ID to pay your bill. If you want to pay through your online bank account, click on one link button to get instructions. As you can see, there is a list of banks provided here. You can also search your bank here in the search bar. Let's check one of the bank's instructions. Let's say this one is your bank. As you can see, the bank is showing mobile banking and online banking option. Mobile banking is if you are using the mobile app provided by the bank, and online banking is when you open it through your laptop. Step-by-step instructions are provided here. Please follow them carefully. All of the banks are available here in the list. Just click your bank and get the instructions. Feel free to contact us at admin@TutorBees.net for any query or suggestion.